Good day, sir. I am here to illustrate the IVS Atsugi bulk carrier network. So, as you can see, the right side is the engine LAN, and the left side is the external communication service LAN. So, the engine office LAN has consist one server, 2 PC and 1 laptop. The IP address is 172.16.1.1. Then the external communication service LAN has one server, 2 PC and 1 laptop, and the IP address is 172.16.2.1. Task 3. Local area network. Set up. A LAN typically consists of multiple computers and devices connected within a small geographical area such as an office building, school, campus, or home. Devices are connected using Ethernet cables, Wi-Fi, or combination, or both, to a central networking device like router or a switch. Purpose of local area network are designed to facilitate communication and resources sharing among devices within the same location. This could include sharing files, printers, internet access, and other sources. Function in a local area network. Devices are assigned unique IP address to identify and communicate with each other. The central network device, like a router or switch, manage the traffic between devices within the network. Data packets are sent between access based on their IP address. Wireless local area network is a type of computer network that allows devices to connect wirelessly within a limited area, such as a home, office, or public hotspot. That setup typically involves a wireless router or access point that connects to a wired network, like a modem or Ethernet connection, and broadcast a wireless signal device like laptop, smartphone, tablets, and etc. Purpose of wireless local area network: provide convenient and flexible connectivity, allow user to access the internet and network resources without being tethered to a physical connection. They are commonly used in home, business, airport, cafes, and other public spaces to provide internet access and physical communication between devices. Wide area network. A wide area network is a type of computer network that spans a large geographical area connecting multiple LAN, WLAN, or other networks together. The setup involves interconnected network devices such as a router, switches, and communication links like leased lines, fiber optic cables, or satellite connection. Purpose of wide area network: enable communication and data exchange between devices and others located in different geographical locations, such as different cities, countries, or continents. They facilitate the sharing of resources, services, and information other vast distance, allowing organizations to connect branch offices, data centers, and remote users. Simple star network topology, using network devices like a router, switch, and multiple devices connected to the switch. Router, switch, PC1, PC2, laptop, and printer. The router serves as the central point of the connection for the network. It connects the local network to the internet or other external network. The router manages data traffic within the local network and external network, as well as assign IP address to the devices within the network. Switch. The switch acts as a central hub for connecting multiple devices within the local network. It receives data packets from connected devices and towards them to appropriate destination device within the network. Switches operate at the data link layer for the OSI model and use MAC address to forward data efficiency. Devices. Device 1 or PC1, PC2, laptop, and the printer. This represent the end user devices connected to the switch, such as computers, laptop, printers, or other devices. Each device communicates with other devices within the network through the switch. The switch ensures that the data packets are delivered to the correct destination device based on its MAC address.